Hello everyone, I'm Zandro Alpapara Carlos, Chairman of First Class International. What is First Class International? First Class International is a community of digital marketers connected to different businesses, such as InsurTech, financial services, health, wellness, and beauty products. We founded a system kung paano kikita using our different social media platforms. Students, employees, young professionals, OFWs, online sellers, and traditional business owners, you are all welcome. Good news! We created a step-by-step system on how you will earn your first million and beyond. And before anything else, I do suggest na i-follow nyo po ang mga pages na to. Number 1 is our First Class International official fan page, J-Lim Project official fan page, Project High official fan page, and kung gusto mo ng mga daily dose of motivation and inspirational content, i-follow mo na din ang aking official fan page na Sandro A. Carlos, and of course, our grand mentor na si classmate Joseph Lim, kasi marami po kayong content na pwedeng abangan sa araw-araw. For the past 13 years, napakarami ng buhay ang nagbago. And we're very excited to build and create more achievers this year. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Be one of the many achievers sa First Class International this year.